Hello, my name is Sean. Welcome to the channel, and today I want to talk about the future designs of electric cars. This is something that kind of crossed my mind while looking at the electric car lineup for China by Honda. And I want to say this trend started with the Tesla Cybertruck, that low res, polygonal shaped car that you really only ever seen on concept cars, but now they're putting them on actual production cars, which is crazy to me because if you would have asked me a few years ago, I would have told you every electric car in the future is going to be shaped like a bubble. And it's going to be like those happy-go-lucky cars you see in those futuristic movies. And now we're starting to get cars that look like something out of Cyberpunk or something out of Blade Runner. And those series are coming from a dystopian style future where everything is kind of bleak, and they're making cars that look more like this. Now, I'm not going to say that the Honda electric car design isn't cool. It's a cool design. I wouldn't say it was the most attractive looking car. It really isn't. It's kind of, bland, but also kind of futuristic. It's weird when you look at it, the overall design, and you come to that realization. But being cool and being good looking aren't necessarily the same thing. And I'm not making this video to critique the car designs. I don't think that's my avenue of expertise. I just thought it was interesting that this is the direction the car industry is going. We kind of thought that we're going to be doing something different with the EV design, more cutesy type of design, but I think they're trying to appeal to the crowd of car buyers that like a more aggressive look. And this is an aggressive look as far as I can tell. And yeah, the likelihood of us seeing these cars here in America is slim, but the SUVs we might actually see on the road here, and their design is a little different from the actual cars that they unveil. They're more in the design philosophy of the Mustang Mach-E, so you can probably expect to see those cars here in America in the near or distant future. I don't know, and when and if that happens, I'll probably do a more in-depth review if I'm actually able to do that and talk about it more thoroughly then. But as of right now, since it's not in America, I'm just going to talk about the fact that these cars designs are starting to look pretty interesting and not at all as I expected them to look. And with that said, I'd like to bring this video to a close. So tell me, what do you think of the direction the electric car design is going? Do you like it? Do you love it? Or do you wish it was more traditional? Let me know in the comments. And if you like the video, like the video. If you dislike the video, dislike the video. If you want to see what I got planned next, come see what I got planned next. Got a lot of stuff for this channel. Really want you guys to be there with me. With that said, I'll catch you later.